Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you on how to download Summertime on Android. If you're finding it difficult to download Summertime, I'm going to be guiding you on how to do that. It is your first time if you're coming across this channel, please do it to subscribe. Let's dive right into the video. The first step you need to take is to go to your browser. I'm going to be using my PC, guys. The second step you need to take in order for you to get to this point, you need to click on the search button and search for summertimesage.com. Okay, after doing that, you are going to be seeing something like this on your screen. The third step you need to take, you need to scroll down gently and download this one. This one is the latest version, but it's not yet available. So all you need to do is to download this one here and install it on your device. So that is on how you can actually download Summertime on your Android. If you found this video helpful, because I've come to the end of this video, please to subscribe to this channel. Tell me in the comment section if you find anything difficult on this channel. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.